How to log in into Maryland sales tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process and how to log in into your Maryland sales tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. And in here search for Maryland sales tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, click on the first link that you see on your screen. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now scroll down and under the login section, here you will see you can log in into your account using your login ID and password. Simply enter your login ID and password and finally click on submit option. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on password reset option, and if you are a new user, you can tap on register option. So in this way you can log in into your account. So that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.